What is up, guys? So Cubot has announced a new rugged tablet called the Cubot Tab KingKong 2. This is yet another rugged tablet for rugged phone enthusiasts, for outdoor adventurers, construction workers, and so on. This rugged tablet, just like many other rugged tablets, is IP68 and IP69K rated, which means it is waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. It is also military grade standard 810H certified, which means it is perfect for use in extremely harsh environments. Anyway, as regarding its price, well, the device is expected to cost about $300 to $350, although it's currently not available, but it's expected to launch before the end of the year. Anyway, let's explore its top features and specs. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it.
Hey adventurers, ever been out on a hike and wished your tablet could keep up with you? Meet the Cubot Tab KingKong 2. This beast is built for the wild with a rugged design that can handle drops, shocks, and even water splashes. Under the hood, it's packing a MediaTek Helio G99 octa-core processor. Translation: smooth multitasking and performance for gaming and video editing. Need space? You get a whopping 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. That's like carrying a mini supercomputer in your backpack. The battery is a monster too, a massive 2400 mAh. That means days of usage without scrambling for a charger. And let's talk about the screen. The 10.95-inch FHD plus IPS LCD display is vibrant, sharp, and perfect for movies, games, or just browsing the web. Staying connected is a breeze with dual SIM cards, Wi-Fi 2.4G/5G, Bluetooth 5.2, and GPS. No matter where you are, you're always in touch. For you photography buffs, the 64MP rear camera captures stunning photos and videos, while the 32MP front camera is perfect for video calls and selfies. And it's all running on Android 14, giving you the latest apps and features with a smooth, intuitive experience.
And also do not forget that the phone has IP68 and IP69K ratings, as I mentioned earlier. The device is also military grade standard 810H certified. So what are your thoughts about the Cubot Tab KingKong 2? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.